Time tracking doesn't have to break your focus. Meet 7pace for Jira, the seamless way to turn your hours into actionable insights right where you already work. Forget navigating away from your tasks to fill out messy logs. With 7pace, you can log your hours directly inside any Jira epic, story, or bug in just seconds. It's native, fast, and stays out of your way. Need a bird's-eye view of your week? The integrated weekly and monthly calendar gives you total visual control. Drag and drop to adjust hours, or duplicate common work logs to save time on repetitive entries. To make things even easier, you can sync your Google or Outlook calendars. 7pace displays your meetings directly on your timesheet, so you can turn calendar events into work logs with a single click. You can also record more than just hours. Use custom fields to tag your activity or mark time as billable or non-billable. This gives your team the accurate data needed for smooth billing and project forecasting. When your week is wrapped up, submit your timesheet for approval with one click. 7pace locks your entries to ensure your data stays secure, consistent, and ready for your manager's review. Track your time without wasting it. Explore our user documentation to dive deeper into features and start making 7pace work for you today.